What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Mama Mav. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And today, y'all, we are cooking taquitos. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. The first thing we're going to do is get our tortilla. I chose to use the fresh tortillas in the refrigerator aisle. You got to pre-cook them a little bit to get them started. But they're my favorite tortillas, and they're also flour. So I'm going in with some bean dip. I found this at Walmart. It looks so good, and I just wanted to try it on these taquitos. You can use refried beans. You can use whatever kind of beans fills your heart. Black beans, pinto beans, whatever it is. Put it down on there. Now we're going in with our hamburger meat, and I will put all the seasonings that I used in the hamburger meat in the description below. I didn't film it on camera, but it was super simple, and you can pretty much use any kind of seasoning you want in your hamburger to get it to taste the way you want it to taste, so don't even worry about that part. It's super easy. And I'm finishing it off with some cheese, some shredded cheese. This is the Mexican blend, one of my favorite cheeses. Always have this in the fridge. And now we're just going to roll our taquito, and we're going to roll over the part closest to us. So we're rolling away from ourselves. And as you roll, you just want to smooth it out in the middle so it's a full taquito. And then I'm just gluing it shut with some more of that bean dip. And that's it, y'all. I'm going to show you again one more time at fast speed so you could just see it again. Super easy. Don't stress about it. I mean, you can't go wrong with these taquitos. So here is a quick look at the taquitos. I only did 3. As you can see, they were really big ones, so 3 is all I needed. Here is a close-up of seeing how tightly rolled they are and how full they are. And we are going into the air fryer, y'all. Yes, the air fryer. Super easy, I'm telling y'all. Super easy, quick, convenient, all of it in this. So we're putting this in the air fryer. What I didn't show you on camera was I sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil to get them looking as beautiful as they are right here in this picture. Put them at 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. And they came out looking great. I'm just going to cut into this one so y'all can see. The inside, the little bit of steamy, the cheese is melted, everything is just ooey gooey all together. So now we are plating these bad boys. And I am putting some salsa in my side cup, y'all. This is my favorite salsa, always and forever. And then we have a little bit of lettuce that's chopped up. And I'm just sprinkling that on top of these. Now I'm going in with some diced tomatoes that's going on top. And if y'all don't like lettuce or tomatoes, you can do sour cream. You can do some salsa on top. Whatever it is that fills your heart is what you can put on top of these. I'm also adding some cheese on top just to finish it off. And look at how beautiful, y'all. This is our final product. Beefy, full to the brim taquitos. These are so good, and I'm doing something a little different this video, so I'm actually giving you the vibes of tasting it on camera. And it was so good, y'all. I mean, I know you will be able to tell by my facial expressions, but this is just something different I wanted to throw in for y'all. So thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel for another video. I appreciate y'all like always. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you never miss when I drop a video. Yes, girl, feel it. Bomb. So good. Y'all, these taquitos are fire. Thank you again for coming to my channel, and until next time.